PPC Building Dreams, building it right from the start.
Today we're talking foundations. A foundation is a structure below the surface of the ground which supports the house. They basically transfer the entire load of the superstructure, that is the house, to the ground. Today here I'm with Vincent, who is the project manager for Water Construction for the PPC Building Dream House. He's going to educate us on foundations and the different materials used in construction. Hi Vince.
Hi Mkwadi.
Can you tell us what are the different types of foundations that you're familiar with?
There are four various types of foundations. We've got the strip, pad, raft and pile foundation. Those can then be separated into deep and shallow foundations. This all depends on the engineer's soil report, and then at that case they can determine which foundation they're going to use. For this particular project, we're going to be using a shallow strip footing foundation and a pad foundation for the bases and the columns. You see, the type of superstructure, house or building, as well as the soil condition determines the type of foundation design. With regards to soil report, the soil report indicates what type of soil we are dealing with. If we're dealing with a softer soil, we will generally use either a wider raft or pad foundation, and when we move to more soils that cannot hold the superstructure, we will go with a pile foundation, which is a lot deeper, which then spreads the load of the superstructure deeper down. So that's basically how a soil report will help the engineer choose and determine what foundation he wants to use.
Oh, interesting.
Deep foundations are often called piles, are usually embedded more than 2 meters into the soil, transferring structural load through a weak layer of soil into a stronger, deeper layer.
Different elements of a house require the use of different construction materials to maximize its inherent characteristics.
Once again, let's chat to Vincent. Vince, tell us about the different materials that we will be using for this amazing PPC house.
Materials are very important. One's choice of material will impact how energy efficient and cost effective the house can be to create the most comfortable structure for a home. For this house, like many, there'll be concrete.
Concrete is the material of choice for the discerning client or homeowner. Its earthy quality, coupled with its durability, offers many advantages. An investment in a concrete home capitalizes on the inherent environmental and engineering qualities of concrete while delivering on aesthetic requirements. Concrete can be formed into any shape to make even the most intricate architectural designs come to life.
There'll be glass, steel, timber, and masonry. And those will all contribute in unique ways to make the house aesthetically pleasing for the new homeowner.
Masonry construction is the building of walls and structures using brick and blocks, or at times natural stone, which can be stacked in decorative yet functional patterns. The patterns usually overlap, which makes the individual unit act as one bigger structural component, giving strength to the completed element. For many centuries, timber has been used in various applications: load-bearing roof trusses, floors, and staircases. Steel is manufactured and available in a multitude of different forms, such as sheet, plate, or sections. It is often used as a major constructional component, which provides strength for concrete structures as reinforcement.
You need to remember that in order for all these materials to fit together to form a solid structure, you need quality cement. Remember, don't settle for an cement. Ask for the tried and tested one, the one as strong as an elephant. Ask for PPC cement.